Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove a background from Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it, and then click on Select and Edit Site. Once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load, and this is how it will look like. So once you're here in the dashboard, go to the left side of your screen, and then here you're going to find all of these sections. And here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So go ahead and click on Edit Site, and then you will be redirected to this page right here. So just wait for the page to load. This is basically going to be the editor for Wix. So once you're here in the editor, here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. And if you want to remove a background, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and search for the background you want to remove. For example, this one. All you need to do, guys, is select the background, make sure it selects it, and then just go ahead and click on the delete button on your keyboard. Once you do that, it will be directly removed. And if you want to undo it, just go ahead and click on Ctrl plus Z on your keyboard. And as you can see, guys, this is how you can undo all of the steps that you do on the Wix editor. If you want to delete it only with the mouse, just go ahead and select it again, right click on it, and then here you're going to find the option to delete it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.